Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So another beautiful child's barber chair. This is a EMIL PAIDAR barber chair. These were probably made from, I don't know, 1920, 1910. We call it 1900's, but probably the 1920s, 30s. This was a porcelain barber chair. It was made for kids. When you bought the chair from the factory, you had two options. You could have it with the horse or without the horse. So the way we do things is we like to really do a nice job, and that's what we did here. So I sent out and had this horse head hand carved by Britta. She's back in, I think, Ohio or something. She did an absolutely beautiful job. This is all kiln dried, laminated wood. It's all blocked up, and then she starts willing on it. And after she's done, this is what we have. And then I asked her specifically, I ordered this head for this chair because I wanted the correct color combination. And as you see here, there's even where she's carved out here for the mane. And what she did this round is we had it look more like a carousel horse. As you can see, it's got a lot more detail and a lot more character to it, right? Now this head actually just clips in here, so when we ship it, we'll take that off. And it clips in. That's the way it was from the factory. As always, when we got the chair and we knocked it completely down, we sent all of the porcelain off to the sandblaster. We took all of the metal, we sent it to the chrome platers. We had everything chrome plated. We sent the upholstery to my upholsterers. We had it done in leather with the finest leather money can buy. And we did a gray-black combination. So what we like to do, and as you see here, we went with black with gray piping. On the arms here, it's a black arm with gray stripes. On the gray, it's black stripes. On the black, it's gray stripes. So we switch it out, right, to make it absolutely beautiful. The chair works correctly. You know, these don't tilt, never were supposed to. Up, down, up, down. Okay, just a beautiful leather. Everything is just really, really nice. So the other thing that nobody's ever done is I came up with this. I went, let's put a real horse tail on it. So I ordered these. You know, some of these groomers will do this and sell the tail. Beautiful tail, okay? Real horse hair. I think it just really complements the chair, right? I think the kids are gonna love it too. Super, super nice chair. And as you know, we would blanket wrap this and ship it out to you. If you buy it, we'd probably get it out within the next 24 to 48 hours. We'll get them out here, blanket wrap it, and they'll deliver it right to your garage. Beautiful little chair. Somebody's going to be very happy with it. If I owned an upscale barbershop, this would be my window, no question, as a trade sign. You're going to get some business off of this. Everybody's going to want to have their kids are going to want to come in and have their hair cut there simply because of this chair. That's my belief, and I'm probably pretty right. Anyway, great chair. Whoever gets it is going to be very happy. And as always, thank you for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.